Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a not so exciting eyeshadow project pan update. I hardly made any progress this month. Definitely nothing I'm going to roll out. Definitely won't be as exciting as my regular project pan update, but I do want to share the progress. With my Too Faced Born This Way Natural Nude palette, I am panning the shade Shimmering Sand. I only used it 3 times. I have 26 more uses until I can roll it out. So definitely not exciting. The 3 times that I did use it, I did enjoy using it. And actually, I think I only used it 3 times in one sitting. So this was a one time of pulling this out. But I used it, I think all over the lid, inner corner, highlighter. I think I used it a couple different ways, but that was that. And by the way, my goal is to either hit pan or use each shade 50 times before I can roll it out. So I've got 26 more uses left. It'll still probably be a while, but I do enjoy the color. It's just I didn't really use this all that often. From the ColourPop Soul palette, I am panning the shade B and B. I used it 0 times, so that, yeah. I didn't even reach for this, quite honestly. I'm finding more and more that I don't like orange tones on me, and I'm saying that as I am wearing orange today. I'm like kind of trying to make myself wear them more, but just orange tones just are not my thing. If I'm being completely honest, I might declutter this after it gets rolled out of my project pan. I might just go through and just declutter all primarily orange tone palettes. So yeah, it's not my favorite shade, it's not my favorite palette, so that could contribute. Hopefully as we go into summer and I wear more orange tones, I'll reach for this more. I do like burnt orange tones. I don't like bright orange tones on me. So yeah, there's that. Also from the ColourPop Lizzie McGuire palette, I am panning the shade Outfit Remember. I only use this 4 times this month, which means 26 more uses. If I'm being completely honest, I feel like I could actually hit pan on this, so I'm either going to use it 26 more times or hit pan. I see a pretty good sized dip, so that might actually be a possibility. I do enjoy this shade. I do enjoy this palette, so I'm having a little bit more fun with this. From the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette, I am panning the shade Sting. I used this 5 times, which means I only have 20 more uses left. Definitely a far cry from when we were last month when I rolled it in. I used it 25 times. Again, it's a possibility that I can roll it out next month, but I think it'll be another 2 months or so. I don't know if I just filmed the update later than normal last month, or if I just didn't use them. I don't think I wore as much eyeshadow this month as I have been, and when I have been using eyeshadow, I've just been using other things in my collection. So again, not that exciting, but I mean, I feel like that one will be out sooner rather than later. And from my roll-in last month, from the Wonder Beauty Wonders Escape palette, I am panning the shade Enchanted, and I got excited and I used this 11 times this month, which is around my goals, which means I have 39 more uses until I can roll this out. This has proven to be a very good transition shade for me, something that I do want to go to, so I have a feeling that this one won't be in super long. And actually I find that I am loving wearing like this shade in the crease and even all over the lid in conjunction with this shade here from the Lizzie McGuire palette. And I think most of the uses that I got from this shade were when I wore these two together. So this is actually becoming an everyday combo for me. So maybe because of that, I'll start wearing this shade more and roll it out sooner rather than later. Anyway, that is my not so exciting project pan update. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. If that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.